Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael Stock Updates. Just jumping in here. It's about quarter after 6 on January 5th, 2022. Just wanted to jump on here and go over some of the stocks and what we can look forward to tomorrow. Unfortunately, today was another red day. Not good. But always remember the stock market is it can be frustrating. Mr. Market has he's just grumpy, and he's been grumpy for a while now. So he's going to get in a better mood, and these prices are going to start moving up. But let's see, just some of the I don't even have TradingView up here. I thought I did. Let me see. Let me pull up TradingView. I apologize. I just record these things live. I don't really go over and fix them. I just kind of say what's off the top of my head, and because I feel sometimes that's just how you can get the best truth out. Okay, so DraftKings. Are you guys ready for this? If you're holding DraftKings stock, and I know a lot of people hold it at $42, maybe some at the $50, hopefully none at the $70. I think most people got rid of it, but I purchased over 100 shares. I've got about 200 shares, to be honest with you, but I'm doing a March journey, bought 111 shares for $30.09. And so I own quite a few shares, and it's down to $24.65. It was down almost 7.5% today. I didn't see this one coming. In my last video, I said that, DraftKings might drop. If it didn't hold that $26 level, it might fall back to $25. If it couldn't hold the $25 level, it's going to fall to the 24s, and unfortunately, that's where we're at right now. Real quick, just to touch on DraftKings, we have a couple catalysts coming up. We have the Super Bowl coming up. We have March Madness coming up. We have a lot of things that we have playoff football coming up. We have basketball where it's at. So we're going to, I know I keep saying this, and I'm no financial advisor. Don't take advice from me. Always do your own due diligence, and you don't have to agree with me just because I'm saying it, because I'm just a normal person like you are. But I think if you have studied DraftKings like the stock, I think you probably feel like me and know that this stock is worth a lot more than $24.65. Barron's has a target on it of $58. Even at that point, you're more than doubling your money. If it shoots up that, and it could touch 60. Remember, this was a stock that was $74 not that long ago. It's been a little while, but it was sitting at $60 not that long ago. So DraftKings is sitting at $24.65. Another one I want to touch base on that I'm frustrated with, but DraftKings and AMC are two of my favorite stocks, but right now they're two of the most frustrating. DraftKings, I know it's a good company. I know the fundamentals behind it. I know they are going to be a good company to invest in, and I'm going to make a turn on profit at $24.65. AMC is now $22.75. It's down almost 11% today. It's actually down 0.25% after hours, $24.50. $24.50, guys, for AMC stock. What is going on here? I'm always, for the most part, really positive about the market. I always truly feels what goes down, it's going to come up. What goes up, what comes down. It's just a matter of getting in, getting on. And if you want generational wealth, you just hold on to these stocks, and these stocks will make you money in the long term as long as you hold. For the most part, most stocks do. If you're day trading, that's a whole nother beast, because like AMC stock, I mean, I could have got in at $25 and would have thought I'd made a heck of a lot of money on $25, and it drops to $22.75. DraftKings stock, I thought there was support there at $30.09. It's dropped down to $24.65. There again, you just never know. You can do all the due diligence you want, watch the charts, and you can get, kind of an educated guess or hypothesis what the stock is going to do. But, I bet there's a lot of people out there like me that didn't see AMC hitting $22. I mean, not this week, not in the new year, and DraftKings $24.65. I thought we was going to be on the way up, and we just haven't hit it yet. I mean, and everything's down, guys. NVIDIA down to $276. I mean, just a few, this was sitting at $320 just a couple weeks ago. Tesla, after that big run we had on Monday, it's back down under $1,100. It's down to $1,088, down to $1,079 in the post market. Let's see what else we have going on here. GameStop, another one, down to $129.37. So there's a pattern here, guys. It's not just DraftKings stock if you're holding, or GameStop or AMC stock. All these stocks are going down right now. So don't panic. We just need to hodl on for dear life. And I'm telling you, once it will, we're in a bad time right now of the market. Even the economy with all these, I think I read something like there's 46 different, kinds of Omicron, or it's coronavirus. People are scared. People aren't spending a lot of money right now, but I don't want to guarantee you anything, but my personal feeling is DraftKings stock is a $50 stock. So if you buy and you hold, you're at least going to double your money. No financial advice, my opinion. AMC stock, even without the squeeze, guys, AMC is, they're building, they've purchased more theaters. Movies aren't going anywhere. They invest in popcorn stock. We have a heck of a CEO in Adam Aaron. He really, truly cares about the investors. This stock, will be more than 20. Once, if this thing ever squeezes, if they, I think it'll squeeze. A lot of people are losing faith, and I can't say that I'm not one of them. I've been waiting a long time. I've been in before June, so I had the little gamma squeeze there, and I thought we'd have at least another squeeze between now and then, but nothing's happened, and the price that it's sitting right now, $22.75, like I've said it for about the third time in the video, I can't believe it's there. And there again, we might see some red tomorrow. You don't know. That's just based on so for AMC, just on the 4-hour candles, you've got 1, 2, 3. That's all it is red. So let's go 4-hour candles, and let's do for 5 days. Yeah, guys, it's still going down in that direction. Well, now on the 5 days, it is starting to come up, but when I say it's coming up, that's post, including the post market. It's just hit $23. So I feel this will have a bounce tomorrow. I can see us getting back up to, I would say, $25. I would feel $25. Maybe we bounce up to $24.50, $24.75. I don't see us pulling back, but don't quote me on that. Don't go out and buy stock because Michael said that it's going to go up tomorrow and not down, because I wouldn't have seen it drop to $22.75. DraftKings stock, I've said in a previous video that I thought we'd have some pullback. I said if you're going to buy calls, buy them for about 90 days out, and if you wanted to buy puts, buy them relatively close, because I thought this was going to drop and pull back a little bit, and it did. And unfortunately, I was a little too correct on that, because, boy, it pulled back quite a bit to $24.65. Tesla, another one of my favorites, down. I think anything under $1,100 right now is good for Tesla. You're going to be making money on that. Tesla's on fire right now, and their earnings are going to be coming out, I think in February. When do they sit? Yeah, February 3rd, their earnings are going to report. So that'll be something to build up to. I think we'll have a good day in Tesla tomorrow, but we'll see. I never doubt Tesla. Anytime it looks bad for Tesla, it always seems to bounce back up, and we're having still a good week for Tesla, but it pulled back. It was down another 5% today. Another one that I've been keeping my eyes on, guys, is Netflix. Netflix stock is down to $567.52. Netflix is expensive stock, and there's so many different streaming services that I've never been one to invest. I've never held a single share in Netflix stock, or even a partial share. I feel, Netflix, it might be, it had a high, you can buy this thing for $567, and the 52-week high was $701. So there's money to be played there. And I think money to be made there. And I think Netflix, you're going to see a good jump. I think that one might be a good position to get in. Once again, it's a pricier stock. It's at $567.52. Apple, it pulled back almost 5% after making that $3 trillion market cap. I figured it'd fall back a little bit, but I still think it's positive for the future. Apple right now, $174.92. It's dropped 0.25% post-market. And right now, I don't do much on Bitcoin or crypto, but Bitcoin, oh my goodness, dropped to $42,413 today. I remember last year when it was sitting at $60,000, then it dropped back down to $36,000, and I specifically remember when it went back up to $60,000. I thought, why didn't I buy it 36? But I was kind of speculative about Bitcoin, and I didn't. And so we're getting back down to that scary number again of $42. If this thing hits for some reason under 40,000, I think, Bitcoin I see as it's more like gold, like just a value. It's not necessarily stock, it's just value. There's, I think, 21 billion coins total, and it's once it's gone, it's gone. And so I think that's something that now, do I think 500,000 some of these people are saying this year? I don't think so. I hope so for people that hold Bitcoin, and I'll be sick because I don't hold any, but I am keeping my eye on Bitcoin as well, because we are getting down to some levels that are crazy. $4,358, down 5%, or $43,588. And even Ether's down 6%, which Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin here recently, and you can get it for $3,545 after it's down 6% today. SHIB is just still sitting at the same levels it's been sitting at with whatever. I was really excited for SHIB, and then of course it just I made quite a bit of money off SHIB, though. I made about $1,200 profit off SHIB, off not that much money. I sold at 8.8, which was actually about the top, and for it to be sitting here at 3,000 or 3040, it's crazy. But and I think SHIB, I still think that Doge and SHIB is gonna. I think there's little. I don't think it's gonna. I think once the bubble pops, when you've seen SHIB run up to 8.8, when you've seen Doge run up to, what was it, 27 or 32, I can't even remember now. After that, it's, you're not going to see those levels for a while again. It's just that everybody jumps on that train and gets off, and then they sell off, and that's how we bend back down to 3043 and Doge, or in SHIB, and under 16 cents for Doge. So my biggest, going into tomorrow, I'm definitely going to be watching AMC because it's up 25 cents after hours, so people are buying. DraftKings Stock, I'm still not comfortable because even 24.65, it still fell off 15 cents in the post market. Tesla, it has dropped off a little bit in the post market. It ended the day at 1,088.12. It's sitting at 1,081.01. But once again, it's a new year. Keep the patience. Patience is key. Patience is key to, investing in yourself. It doesn't matter if you're red or green. As long as you hold, there's 90% chance, guys, that this eventually will go back to green. Invest in yourselves, whether it's $1, whether it's $10, $15, $20, whether you're 18 or you're 65. Just invest in yourself, and believe in a company. And also, it's a fun thing to do if you don't have a lot going on in your life. Just doing research on these companies like Tesla. You can start looking into Tesla. When you really look into Tesla, it's an amazing company. I mean, these cars are going from 0 to 60 in 1.3 seconds, and and then you got NVIDIA with the Omniverse, and there's so many just neat, cool things that are coming into this world, and they're just now starting to take over. Pretty soon EV vehicles are going to be all over the place. It's not going to be where you see in a Tesla here and there, and occasionally you're going to start seeing them quite a bit, and they're working on being more affordable. They're going to be able to produce so many cars, and Ford's another one. Ford is another one that's just a couple weeks ago was sitting at $19, $18. It's up to, I think it was 24. I was going to actually buy some puts on Ford, and I didn't, and I wish I would have, but I didn't. And so, coulda, shoulda, woulda, story of my life. But, guys, overall, just the market was down today. It wasn't a good day. Tomorrow is Thursday, so it's got to be better, right? It's got to be better. So, but we'll see. This market, you never know. It's got an attitude, and right now it's really ticked off about something. I wish it would cheer up. I think we'd all be happy if it cheered up. So let's start that journey tomorrow going like this. We want some boom boom candles. We want some profit on our portfolios, guys. Mr. Market, you put us through some pain since November and December. Let's make us happy in January. But that's it. If you like the video, you can please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps. If you didn't like the video, I'm sorry. You can definitely let me know what I can do better. Or I just appreciate the support. I think I got 31 subscribers, so I definitely appreciate every single 31 of you. And I'd like to get more than that, but I'm not going to beg for people to sign up to my channel. I just hopefully you get on here, like me, and maybe we have some things in common. Maybe we're in the same plays, and that'll bring subscribers and likes to the videos. But I'm pretty much just off the cuff. I just get on here, say what I have to say for the day. Nothing really scripted or anything like that. And but I love comments. I love communicating with you guys. And so just if you have any plays you'd like to talk about, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any ideas, if you're in DraftKings or an AMC, just let me know about your experience, and we can talk about it. Because right now, I think people need to talk. I just think we need to talk through this, because I think come March, April, we're going to be happy. I've said that for a while now, but I just truly believe that. So that's all I got. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys take care and happy trading.